Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digital Sneha. This is the best place if you are a coach or a freelancer who wants to grow their personal brand on Instagram and want to monetize it as soon as possible. And if you are new to my channel, so I will say that consider subscribing my channel because you're going to get a lot of value from my videos. And let's get started with today's video. Basically, today we are going to talk about Instagram algorithm 2023. Right, so let's first of all understand that what is Instagram algorithm. Then we'll go on why is it important, and number three, that how Instagram algorithm works and how we can make it happen. So let's start with the video. And so number one thing which we are going to talk is what is Instagram algorithm. So everything have its own set of rules. Like for example, if you visit temple, right? Then there is a ritual, or that is a rule, right? That you have to remove your slippers, your footwear outside the temple, and then only you can enter the temple. Or if you are, going to school, so you have a dress code. That is a rule, right? So there are certain rules when it comes to different things in your daily life. Similarly, when it comes to Instagram platform, it has also some of its rule, right? And you have to follow that rule. If you are following that rule, then you are good to go with the growth part and everything, whatever your goal is. But if you are violating that rules, you have listen, like so many people are losing their Instagram account because the reason is they are not following the rules. They are doing certain activities which are not recommended, which are restricted by Instagram or Meta. Still, people are continuing doing that. Maybe they're not aware of it, or maybe they think that nothing will happen if they are going to do it. But if you are going to break rules, definitely you are going to pay for it. So algorithm basically means there are some set of rules on Instagram. Now let's talk that why is it important. So if you're not going to follow the Instagram algorithm, you have to pay for it, right? Maybe your account can get disabled. Like I was working with a client, like when I started my journey, and we started a new page, and we were able to grow with a lot of followers in couple of months. But after I gave that account to him, he started posting content which was copyrighted by different different pages. Now what happened was he continued doing that in spite of getting the emails that you are doing wrong. Still he continued to do that, and then Instagram blocked his account. He mailed him many times, but there was no proper reply. Like there was reply, but he lost his account. He didn't got back his account, and we started a new account now. And now, as he already lost his old account, so he knows that he can't do that again. So if you are following the Instagram rules carefully, definitely you are going to get benefits of it, right? You are going to grow, you are going to get a lot of things. But if you are violating that, there is one more rule. Like you have seen, you just go on your DMs and you will see there are people who are just messaging you that they can provide you certain number of followers in X amount of money. So that is also not ethical. Instagram really don't want that you attract bots on your account, because these followers which they are giving are bot followers. And if you have bot followers in your account, you have already destroyed your account. Either start a new account or just remove all those accounts that bots. So it's important that you follow these Instagram algorithms. And number third thing is that how you can make Instagram algorithm happy. So let's go with that. Number one is add keywords in your video, in your profile, right? If, like, let's take my example. So I am an Instagram coach. I coach coaches and freelancers, right? And what I am teaching them, that how they can build their brand. So these three are my major keywords: Instagram, personal brand, and coaches, freelancers. So, see, if anybody wants to grow their Instagram or want to build their brand that sell, right? So they're not going to search for Sneha, most probably because they don't know me. I'm not a very big figure. So they're not going to search me by my name. But what they're going to search? Instagram. So it's important for me that I use that keyword again and again wherever I can use. Now, what are the places where you can use those keywords? There is your bio, then you have caption, you have your story, you have your alternative text. Wherever you can add these texts, just add it, because that will really help you to get discovered, right? People are going to search for that keyword and you are going to get it. And Instagram will also understand, okay, if you are using Instagram as a keyword, it means you need people who want to learn more about Instagram or who are interested on Instagram, and they are going to send my content to my target audience rather than sending to any random person. Number two, how you can make your algorithm happy is adding captions in your videos. Now every video on Instagram is known as reels, whether it is a 15 seconds video or it is 60 seconds or even more than 60 seconds. Like earlier there was IGTV, which was a long form content where you can post a video more than 1 minute. But now everything, every video which you are posting on Instagram, which is going on your feed, is your reels. And also when it comes to stories, you can share your, you can add that caption. Because see, what happen is most of the people scroll reel when they're out. Either they're traveling or they're at their workplace and they need 5 to 10 minutes break and they need to fresh their mind. So if they are in a crowded place, if they are traveling, so definitely they are not going to hear the audio of your video carefully. So if you have provided the caption, then that will become easy for them because they can read the caption and they can know that what is there inside the video. Or if they're at their workplace, then you cannot, have full volume of your mobile phone. You have to keep it very low. So in that low volume also, it can become difficult for your audience to watch that video. So if you're adding caption, they can watch that video without audio also because they can read it, right? So number two point was to add captions in your video. Number third point is to add hook on your content. So as you know that Instagram is slowly converting into a video platform. So Instagram want that whatever reels or videos you are posting, you are adding a hook so that people can see your whole content, right? Hook is the first 1 to 3 seconds that you are just hooking people, right? Hook can be like you are asking a question that people can relate to. You are doing anything that people want to know that why are you doing that, or anything. You can do some role plays that hook your audience. Number fourth and the last point is adding call to action. Call to action is when your content is completed, when your video is completed, it is come to an end, you have to give a call to action. Call to action can be like follow me for more such tips, uh, download my freebie, link is in bio, join my workshop, or anything when you are giving an action to your audience. So these are the Instagram algorithms of 2023 which you have to follow, and you have to grow your Instagram and your brand. And if you need any help of mine personally for your Instagram, then feel free to contact me. You can just DM me. I'm just one DM away because I reply to each and every DM if they are not spammy. So if you have any question, so you can comment it down, and if you need any specific video, you can definitely tell me on my Instagram DM, or you can also comment me down, and I will be meeting you in next video. Bye bye.